Today I'm going to teach you how to create a searchable dropdown list in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large datasets and want to make data entry faster and more accurate by allowing users to search through options instead of scrolling endlessly through a traditional dropdown. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple Google accounts linked to your browser. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your Google Workspace tools, including Google Sheets. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From here, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create your searchable dropdown list. If you can't find it right away, you can use the search function at the top to quickly locate your file. Once you've opened the spreadsheet, you're ready to start setting up the dropdown. Now, click on the specific cell where you want the searchable dropdown list to appear. This could be any cell in your sheet, depending on where you need the dropdown functionality. With the cell selected, look toward the top of your screen and click on Data in the menu bar. From the dropdown menu that appears, select Data Validation. This feature is what allows you to control what kind of information can be entered into specific cells, making it perfect for creating our searchable dropdown. Once you click on Data Validation, a panel labeled Data Validation Rules will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure all the settings for your dropdown. Click on Add Rule to begin creating your new validation rule. This opens up the options you'll need to customize your dropdown list. In the Criteria section, you'll notice there's a dropdown menu underneath it. Click on this menu to see all the available validation types. From these options, choose Dropdown from a range. This option is key because it allows you to pull data from an existing range in your spreadsheet, which is what makes the dropdown searchable and dynamic. After selecting Dropdown from a range, you'll see another field appear where you need to set the specific range of data you want to include in your dropdown. For my example, I'm going to click on the column header labeled Name to set that entire column as the range. This means every entry in that column will appear as an option in the dropdown. Once you've selected your desired range, click OK to confirm your selection. Back on the right side panel, you'll see all your settings displayed. Take a moment to review everything to make sure it looks correct. When you're satisfied with your configuration, click Done to finalize the data validation rule. This saves all your settings and applies the dropdown to the cell you selected earlier. Now it's time to test your new searchable dropdown list. Click on the cell where you applied the validation and you'll see a small arrow appear. Click on that arrow and your dropdown will open, showing all the data from the range you set. The best part is you can now type to search through the options, making it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list. This searchability is what makes this method so powerful for managing large datasets. And there you have it, you've successfully created a searchable dropdown list in Google Sheets that will make data entry much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.